Stress isn't just an emotion, it's a full body survival signal, a primal response deeply rooted in our biology. This intricate mechanism is designed to protect us from perceived threats, whether they are physical dangers or psychological pressures. When you face a challenge, your brain triggers the rapid release of adrenaline and cortisol, powerful hormones that surge through your system, preparing you to either fight the threat or flee from it. This is often referred to as the fight or flight response. In short bursts, this acute stress response is incredibly beneficial. It sharpens your focus, enhances cognitive function, and fuels your energy, allowing you to perform optimally when facing immediate threats or demanding situations. However, when the stress switch never truly turns off, the body lives in a perpetual storm. This constant state of alert, where stress hormones are continuously elevated, slowly but surely erodes your physical and mental health, leading to chronic issues. Today, we will explore the intricate science of stress, delving into its biological impacts, and uncover how cultivating calm can profoundly reshape your biology, fostering resilience and strength against life's challenges. Chronic stress means cortisol, the hormone initially meant to protect you by regulating various bodily functions, becomes toxic when persistently elevated. This prolonged exposure to high cortisol levels can have detrimental effects on your entire system. It disrupts sleep patterns, leading to persistent fatigue and exhaustion, weakens the immune system, making you more susceptible to illness and infections, and can even shrink the brain's memory center, the hippocampus, impairing cognitive functions. Your heart's rhythm, precisely measured by heart rate variability or HRV, becomes chaotic and less adaptable under chronic stress. This signals that your body is stuck in a constant state of survival mode, unable to properly rest and recover. Meanwhile, blood flow shifts away from your gut, impairing digestion and nutrient absorption, and significantly reducing the production of serotonin, the crucial happiness neurotransmitter, which impacts mood and overall well-being. This redirection of vital resources and the resulting hormonal imbalance is precisely why chronic stress leads to both profound physical discomfort and deep emotional imbalance, affecting every aspect of your daily life. The good news, however, is that your nervous system possesses remarkable adaptability and plasticity. It can be trained and rewired to respond differently to stressors, allowing you to regain control over your body's reactions. Calm is not merely an absence of stress. It is a biological power, an active state that can be consciously cultivated and strengthened through specific practices. It's a proactive approach to well-being, not just a passive state. When you breathe slowly and deeply, engaging your diaphragm, you activate the vagus nerve, a key player in your parasympathetic nervous system. This nerve extends from the brainstem to the abdomen, influencing many bodily functions. This activation sends a powerful, "you are safe" signal directly to your brain, initiating a cascade of calming effects throughout your body. It tells your brain that the immediate threat has passed, allowing for relaxation. This single, conscious act turns off the fight or flight stress response, significantly lowers blood pressure, and restores physiological balance. It shifts your body from a state of alarm to one of rest and repair. This is the profound science of calm, consciously switching your body and mind from a state of survive, where resources are mobilized for defense, to one of thrive, where growth, repair, and well-being are prioritized. You can actively strengthen this calm muscle with just 10 minutes of mindful breathing each day. This simple yet powerful practice involves focusing on your breath, bringing your attention to the present moment, and deepening your inhalations and exhalations. Support your body further with targeted nutrition. Magnesium, abundant in spinach and almonds, plays a crucial role in calming the nervous system, promoting muscle relaxation, and reducing anxiety. Additionally, omega-3 fats, found in fatty fish like salmon and flaxseed, are vital for reducing inflammation throughout the body, supporting brain health, and contributing to overall cellular well-being. You can't entirely avoid stress in modern life. It's an inevitable part of our existence. However, you can absolutely master your recovery from its effects, learning to bounce back more quickly and effectively. Resilience isn't about never shaking or experiencing difficulties. It's about how quickly and effectively you return to your center, your baseline state of calm and balance, after encountering a stressful event. By learning to consciously shift from tension to release, you transform calm into your strongest medicine. This deliberate practice empowers you to actively manage your body's stress response. It becomes an active, potent force that strengthens every single cell in your body, fostering holistic well-being from the inside out. This internal strength allows you to face challenges with greater equanimity. Embrace the science of calm to build a more resilient, healthier, and balanced you. By integrating these practices into your daily life, you unlock your body's innate capacity for healing and thriving.